Ayaw raw, tuok. Ayaw.
When I'm gone, I'll be thinking about you constantly. Cause you're like the sun, my memory from now on. And I know what this day is time. And what you're searching for can never be the same. But what is different is cause we say what I mean, did I say? So much more so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. Well, just one smile take my breath away. So hold me close.
Hello guys! Ayan po, naka-live na, ay hindi po to live. Ano to, ayan mini vlog. Kasi andito kami sa Davao de Oro. Andito kami sa, anong pangalan to falls? Tagbanahaw Falls. Ayan, narinig niya na, Tagbanahaw Falls. Alright, so, hiningal ako kay, naglakad kami kay paakyat siya. So, dyan mga kasama ko. Look how nice it is. Grabe. Nahingal ako. Ha? Malayo pa, Vincent? Grabe si Vincent kung saan dinadala. Hingal na. Saan si kuya mo? Bakit? Hala? Grabe siya. Siyempre kasi paakyat eh.